Good evening, all of you. In this session, we are going to learn presentation skills. Presentation skills is a common topic, and if anybody wants to convince others, they must have presentation skills. Our mother must have presentation skills. You will have presentation skills. So like that, any company CEO must have presentation skills to convince his clients. A team leader in IT firm must have presentation skills. And if any student participate in any seminar and discuss any topic, he must have presentation skills. So, what is the presentation? Presentation ante enti? Presentation means to perform with a view to achieve something. With a view to achieve something. Suppose if we take any music program, any music concert, any drama, any play, they perform well to make impact on the audience. So, they must have some important qualities. Number one, proper planning. Number two, preparation. Number three, proper execution to achieve their goal. So every play must have a purpose. Every presentation must have a purpose. How many types? There are two types of presentations. Number one, written presentation. Number two, oral presentation. Suppose if you apply for a job, you write curriculum vitae. In that CV, you try to explain your views, you try to elevate your qualities, and you try to present well to your employee to get good job. That is written presentation. Understand? Suppose if you have the chance of interact with your employee, we call interview. That is oral presentation. How many types? Written presentation and oral presentation. CV, curriculum vitae or resume or biodata is example of written presentation, and your interview and your interaction with your employee is oral presentation. So every presentation must have a purpose. A salesman have to sell his goods, so he will exhibit his presentation skills and make you to buy that product with his presentation skills. His purpose is to sell that product. So every music program also, every dance program also, every event in TVs also, even if you take one example, a comedy program in a Jabardast program also, they have purpose. They have to perform well. They have goal. They have a purpose to achieve. That is presentation skill. So, if a politician participates and presents his view to people, to get the favor of people, to get votes also. Like that, a lecturer will go to class with proper planning, and he tries to explain the students his own lesson. Suppose take physics lecturer, one goes to class and explains Raman effect to his students. He has a purpose. Like that, any presenter must have these 3 points, these skills. One is proper planning, 2 is preparation, 3 proper execution. So presenter must be aware of what he would be presenting to whom, ఎవరికి, ఎంతసేపు, ఏం చెప్పబోతున్నాడు అనేటువంటి ఈ 3 విషయాల్లో అతనికి కంప్లీట్ అవగాహన ఉండాలి. ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు మరికొన్ని జాగ్రత్తలు ఉంటాయి. ఏంటంటే ది వే హీ స్పీక్స్, ఏ విధంగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు, ది వే హీ లుక్స్, ఏ విధంగా ఆడియన్స్ని చూస్తున్నాడు, ది వే హీ ప్రజెంట్స్, ఏ విధంగా ప్రజెంట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాడు, ది వే హీ స్టాండ్స్, హిజ్ గెస్చర్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మ్యాటర్స్. అండ్ ఏ విధంగా అతను సబ్జెక్ట్ని ప్రజెంట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాడు అనేటువంటి ఈ విషయాలన్నీ కూడా ఒక ప్రెజెంటర్ తన మైండ్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. సపోజ్ నౌ వీ కమ్ టు డిస్కస్, దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ presentations. First we take speech. Speech is presentation. Speech is spontaneous. Everybody can give speech spontaneously on any topic, on the present government and the present COVID, the problem of COVID and price rise and unemployment. Everybody can give on the roads itself. That is, speech is spontaneous one. Next one is lecture. Lecture is not like speech. It is organized one, and it is a lecture given by a well-versed person, knowledgeable person, and there is a difference between speech and lecture. Third one is group discussion. We all know group discussion. Group of people discuss a matter, a point, and come to conclusion on one topic. And this group discussion is a topic given in interviews also. Group discussion. You group, I give you one topic to you, then you discuss on the topic, and finally you come to a solution, conclusion. You come to conclusion. Your group come to conclusion. Group discussion. Name itself indicates what is going on there. There may be for and against opinions, but all the group comes to one conclusion in a climax, like that. Next one is seminar. We participate in seminars in our colleges, universities, students, and also learned people participate